Hello YouTube family, if you're new here, I am Jackie with Momma Mia DIY. Today I have a very small Walmart haul and a Woodpecker Crafts that you order online. I'm affiliated with them. I have a link that would be down in this subscription box. Down in the description box where you click on it. I get a small commission if you buy anything from them. The stuff that I ordered, I think I got like 15% off, maybe 20, I don't remember, but it was very reasonable. So we're going to start with Walmart. And it's all craft stuff related. So 24 full-size glue sticks. Pick those up. I picked up this eucalyptus bunch just to have some greenery and things. And then I picked up 5 different Waverly chalk paint, and this is scallion. So I picked scallion up, and the clear wax, picked that up. And this is Pull, just a sweet light blue, perfect for spring. This one is Moss, and then a little thing of the antique wax. So that was it from Walmart. My husband and I went and did some grocery shopping, and yeah, that's all I got. So now I'm going to go and show you the Woodpecker Crafts stuff that I ordered. First thing is this 6 different, I've already used one of them, trays. These, I want to say like $7.99, I think. I mean, it was very reasonable for 6 of them. Might have been $14.99. Don't quote me on that. I'll have them all linked in the description box below. But if you've been around a while, y'all know I love crafting, making trays and stuff. So I picked that up. Then I picked up, here we go, 10 wooden rolling pins. Those I think were like 59 cents a piece. I think, like I said, all down in the description box. And I picked up 2 of this cute little bird. These are the reason why I even went on here. I was watching Rusted Willow doing either spring or Valentine's, I can't remember, stuff, and she used these birds and I just fell in love with them. I have a lot of ceramic birds up in my bedroom, so I picked those up. And I picked up this, I guess it could be a paddle. but I think they were calling it a cutting board. So pick that up. Something in mind for that. They had like the paint stir sticks, the big ones. I forget. But I got 10, and like I said, I'll have this all linked in the description box below, along with the code for you to go and shop. And then the last thing I got were these cutting boards. So I got the large, the medium, and the small. So absolutely love these. I can't wait to get crafting with these. The stir sticks, I'm going to use one in a DIY coming up. And I can't seem to find the tray that I did. I actually flipped it where it wasn't the tray part. I just used the back part of it. But yeah, so that is it, my friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family and friends, and if you're new here, think about subscribing and becoming a part of the Momma Mia DIY family. With all of that being said, you guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.